Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to Relish Delish. Today we're going to be making a recipe with chia seeds and apples. It's a healthy nutritional recipe. आजकल हम chia seeds के बारे में काफ़ी सुनते रहते हैं कि how chia seeds are really beneficial for health. You don't need to have much intake of this. Just about 2 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons incorporated into any food in your day is sufficient. And I like soaking the chia seeds overnight, so that's what I will be doing today. चिया सीड्स के काफ़ी सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. आजकल हम बहुत सुनते रहते हैं चिया सीड्स के बारे में. इट हेल्प्स इन वेट लॉस, इट हेल्प्स इन इम्प्रूविंग योर कोलेस्ट्रॉल, इट्स गुड फॉर डाइजेशन, इट इम्प्रूव्स योर स्किन. ऐसे काफ़ी सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. इनफैक्ट कहा जाता है कि चिया सीड्स हैव बीन कल्टिवेटेड फ्रॉम 3500 BC and it actually belongs to the mint family and it's really nutritious. So today we're going to be making a chia seed pudding with an apple compote, and let's get started. So in order to make this chia pudding with apple compote, basically we'll need chia seeds. I like buying organic chia. I get it from Costco, the Kirkland organic brand. This is black chia seeds. You also can find white chia, but for this particular recipe I like using the black chia seeds. And you have to soak chia in some kind of liquid. Overnight is better. I like soaking the chia seeds overnight. So here I will be using almond milk. You can use regular milk. You can even use coconut milk. Coconut milk in fact tastes awesome. So that's also fine. And in order to make this, again, to make the apple compote, you of course need apple. So this is some Canadian Macintosh apples, which is the favorite here in Canada. And then we have maple syrup. Of course we use maple syrup for sweetening. I have a dash of vanilla is used. Then I'll be putting some cinnamon in this, a little bit of sea salt, and I'm going to be using ghee for sauteing the apple. Just a teaspoon of ghee. You can go ahead and use either coconut oil, or you can even use butter. This is my personal choice. And of course, to garnish, I'll be using the cinnamon sticks. So in order to make this recipe, first thing is to soak the chia seeds in liquid. I'm soaking it in almond milk. So here I have about half a cup of chia seeds. So half a cup of chia seeds, and then half cup is about 3 tablespoons. So the measurement is for about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, you need about half a cup of almond milk or half a cup of any other liquid. So since I have put half a cup of chia seeds, I'm going to be measuring out 1.5 cups of almond milk. So this is 1 and about half cup more. And what happens is when you soak this chia, right now it's liquidy, but when you soak it, it soaks up all the liquid, and you will see how it becomes after overnight. So you can either do it like 2 to 3 hours, but I like doing it, keeping it overnight. So I have mixed it up properly. So what I'll be doing it, I'm just going to set this aside and keep it for overnight. But I have soaked some overnight. I'll show you how it looks like. So if you can see this, see how the texture of this has changed now. It's become much thicker. In fact, I might have to add a little bit of almond milk to make this more liquidy. So that's how the texture changes when you soak the chia seeds. So for making the compote, I have here about 3 apples. I like making more of this compote and keeping it. It's a very healthy snack. Whenever you feel hungry in between meals, you can always snack on this apple. So I'm just going to cut this. I'm going to quarter this and then take out. I don't like taking out the skin. It's been washed thoroughly, And these apples, we got it from we went apple picking last weekend, and we got it fresh from the farm. So I know it is safe, and as such I don't like removing the skin from the apples, but so for certain dishes you need to do that. So I'm just going to do this and chop it up into cubes. So, so like this. The thing about Macintosh apples are it's a little tart along with being sweet. So वो खट्टा मीठा जो taste है ये apples का वो बहुत अच्छा होता है. You can even use Red Delicious or any other apples of your choice, whichever you find. That's the easy thing about this making apple compote. You can use any apples, and you can use any sweetener. We like using maple syrup because maple syrup and apple and cinnamon is really wonderful. So that's what I do. Fall is the season for apples, so this is really good. The smaller the pieces that you cut, the quicker will be the cook time. So that's one advantage of cutting it into smaller bites. So there we have chopped up all the apples. Now we'll go ahead and make the compote. So we'll make the compote now. So just going to be adding a teaspoon, just a teaspoon of ghee. We'll let the ghee melt. And then I'll be adding I've sprinkled cinnamon powder on the apples, so to make it easier, so that it coats all the apples. That's what I like doing. I'm just going to saute this. The flame should be medium high. Even medium is fine. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle a bit of sea salt in this. Sea salt is good. Couple of tablespoons of water can also be added if you think that the apples are sticking to the bottom of the pan. I don't think it's sticking right now, so I'm not adding. This is now maple syrup and a dash of vanilla. This is pure vanilla. This should now cook for about 5 minutes, and we'll come back and check when it's done. So it's been close to 5 minutes, so I'm going to see whether it's done. So this is the consistency that we are looking at. So this is exactly the consistency that we are looking at. The apples have been caramelized, and if it's still liquidy, you can always remove the lid and cook it further for a couple of minutes. But I think this is done now, so I'm going to switch off the flame. So next step will be assembling the compote. So assembling is pretty easy. What you need to do is, I like layering it with the compote first, the apple compote. Just a couple of spoons here, and then we'll add in the mix of the chia and the almond milk. And then again top it with a layer of the apples. You can even garnish this with some walnuts or pistachios, any kind of nuts. But basically this is how it is. And what I like to do is insert the cinnamon stick in here. It just looks good. So I'm going to make the rest of the batch in the similar way. First the apples, and then the chia, and then again apples. And like I said, it's very easy to make this. You just need a couple of minutes overnight before you go to sleep, before you bedtime. If you soak the chia, and in the morning this becomes such an easy thing to do for breakfast, and it's very healthy, a healthy breakfast to kick off your day. Yum. So ये रहा chia apple compote. It's nutritious, it's delicious, and it's what's more, it's easy to make. और ये चिया आप लोग जैसे बना के 3-4 दिन तक फ्रिज में भी रख सकते हैं, उसको कुछ नहीं होगा. You can plan this breakfast ahead of time. Please keep watching. For more such recipes, visit my website relishdelish.ca, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.